Stellar family, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. I didn't forget about you guys. I've been seeing the comments coming in. Crypto ZX, please cover XLM. Appreciate all the love. You guys obviously, show a lot of love on these updates. I'll try my absolute best to, come back on the schedule in terms of, covering every project that, my viewers like. But I'm trying my best to, really deliver every single update for you guys. So please bear with me and appreciate all the love. Taking a look at the market, market is looking amazing going into Wednesday morning. The last 24 hours have been quite an exciting time for the crypto markets, especially over the last few days. We're coming out of, quite some volatility. So keeping that in mind, obviously a green day never really hurts. And of course, we are going to be closing the monthly candle this coming Friday, which is obviously something very important to keep in mind. But let's take a look at what's happening with XLM right now. So the broader market is up right now. XLM still seeing a little bit of a retracement against the broader market. XLM is down about 1% right now, with the price currently sitting at 38.3 cents, down about 1.4% in the Bitcoin side of things. Valuation sitting at 12 billion and the 24-hour trading volume at $420 million. As always, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So, dominance. You guys know it's not a Crypto ZX update unless we don't talk about the dominance index. And I want you guys to take a look at the bigger picture rather than the shorter term time scale. I'll bring that up for you guys as well, but look at how fast we have seen, this sharp decline for, the index itself. We topped at 66.14% for the year of 2025, and we have seen it drop quite sharply since then. And in terms of an altcoin, narrative, that is huge. If you hold altcoins, this is exactly what we wanted to see happen, and that's exactly what's happening. And with the way things are going, if you drop below where we currently are, we could come down to 57.17%, and that could be quite something. As far as Bitcoin is concerned right now, Bitcoin's not making up its mind right now. It's still in the shaky end of the spectrum. We're below $115,000 key range, and right now, I'm going to keep it simple. We can still retest some of these lower timeframes, potentially even drop in below the 23.6 fib zone for the first time in over almost 2 months. Not exactly, but almost 2 months that we've been consolidating in the 23.6 fib zone, and we could actually lose that support line and retest some of the lower time frames, which of course is something I want you guys to keep in mind. But regardless of Bitcoin sitting at 115 or 110 right now, the dominance is still showing a similar pattern, which is showing weakness, and that is exactly what you want to see happening, especially if you're an altcoin holder. If you're looking at XLM's price right now on the hourly time frame, you can see this for yourself. We have dropped below the 41.2 key range, and right now we're retesting around the 38.3 cents key support line. We actually retested that on the 22nd of August, and we got retested it just 2 days back, and once again we're finding ourselves exactly at that level again. We have not dropped below this, but if we drop below this, a double bottom is in play, in my opinion. A double bottom would be the August 2nd low, which is around 36.18 cents. And that is something I want you guys to keep your eyes out for. That could still end up happening, which is only a move of about 6%. So a potential retracement for XLM down about 6% is still in play right now, based off of what we're seeing so far. The support that you would expect to hold has been holding. So that's a confirmation for us right then and there. But right now, the more you retest a key support line, that could weaken the support itself, and maybe we do see the price push back down to the likes of 36 cents. And that's something I want you guys to keep in mind right now, and that is still a very likelihood of occurring based off of where XLM is currently sitting. So we got to take it one step at a time. Obviously, if we make our way back above the 41 cents price point, then we are going to have a different discussion. That itself is a move of about 7% right now. But, based off of what we're seeing right now, maybe we do see a retest down to this double bottom before we start heading towards the upside. Let's see, who wins right now. It's pretty much a battle between the bulls and the bears, believe it or not, because, where we currently are. Because it could go either way. Right now, the support itself is that important. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that red subscribe button. What is your overall strategy on Stellar? Are you in it for the long haul? What are your targets? Let me know in the comments. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? We'll see you later in Crypto ZX, and peace out.